Yo, what's up guys? Andy here, and today we're talking about Cash App's potential secret product. In news over the past few months, it's become known that Block, the company that runs Cash App, is going to be launching Bitcoin mining hardware and software. So we know that Block already uses Cash App to allow users to buy, sell, send, and receive Bitcoin. This is all built into Cash App. I think it's currently the only interface that Block has that allows people to interact and use Bitcoin. So it might make sense for them to build these new products directly into the Cash App product. A little more information on this. Jack Dorsey is just the founder of Block, previously known as Square, also the founder of Twitter. But basically they bought all of these Bitcoin mining chips from Intel. This will accelerate its plans to enter the mining hardware market just as the chip maker winds down production. Block says it aims to improve the decentralization of the Bitcoin network. When it comes to mining, the main problem is the diversity of the manufacturing and supply chain. We want to make more tools for people to build and use. So this chip should essentially allow them to make something where everyday people can buy this product and begin to mine Bitcoin. There's another article here that kind of says the same stuff. Block plans to make its Bitcoin mining technology open source with a view to drive innovation, expand Bitcoin mining hardware ecosystem to new heights. So pretty cool that Block is working on Bitcoin mining hardware and software. This looks like it could become available in early 2024. To me, it makes sense that it would be integrated with Cash App in some way, but we'll just have to wait and see what happens with that. As you know, I kind of switched away from Cash App for Bitcoin because I think Strike is a better app for it. But if Block launches something like this, I'll be interested in testing it out and seeing how it works, and definitely making some videos and providing updates around it. So be sure to stick around and subscribe for that. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.